Hi everybody, welcome to week 4, module 4. Hope you're enjoying Memorial Day and thinking of those that we've lost. So the topics for this week are managing stress, emotions, and decisions. So 2 different chapters that are surprisingly maybe not connected. So I'm going to ask you to evaluate your stress management approach, critique decisions of a major business. And then for the journal, compare and contrast approaches to demonstrating appreciation. So as we look through each one of these, so the discussion board this week is asking you to evaluate Amazon's decision to choose a new headquarters, which they decided to choose New York City, then they changed their minds and had to go to a different location. So try to use the concepts from the decision-making chapter to explain the decision to build, the decision to not build. Why did they change? What biases, decision-making approaches, or ethical issues might have influenced the decisions, and is there anything they could have done differently to avoid this problem? 4. The written assignment, are you stressed? Now I'm going to guess that most of you probably are, because most of you are working and going to school and managing families and activities outside of work. So here's your chance to reflect on and get some ideas for managing stress in your life. And then the journal for this week is all about developing and valuing people. So I'm going to focus on, or ask you to focus on, appreciation. What does it feel like to be appreciated? What does it feel like when you're not appreciated? And to identify some ways that you can demonstrate appreciation to people in your life. It's amazing how some leaders don't take the time to say thank you to their people. It's free, it takes a little bit of your time, but it can mean an awful lot to appreciate others. So let me know if you have any questions on that, and have a great week.